Bismillah. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever met someone whose words were soft, whose actions were gentle, and whose presence made you feel safe, even before they spoke about religion? Now, let me ask another question. Have you ever met someone who talked a lot about religion, but their character pushed people away? This is where Islam speaks to the heart. Because Islam is not just about how you pray. It is not just about how you dress. It is not just about how much knowledge you have. Islam is deeply about who you are when no one is watching. Islam emphasizes good character because character is the mirror of faith. Today, let us talk slowly, honestly, and from the heart about why Islam places such a powerful emphasis on good character. This is not a lecture. This is a reminder. For me, and for you, good character in Islam is not perfection. It is not being rich. It is not being famous. It is not never making mistakes. Good character is being honest when lying is easier, being patient when anger feels justified, being kind when you are tired, being humble when you are praised, being gentle when you have power. In Islam, good character means how you treat people, especially those who can give you nothing in return. Your parents, your spouse, your children, your neighbors, strangers, even those who hurt you. Islam teaches that character is not shown in comfort, it is revealed in pressure. Allah did not send Islam to create robots. He sent Islam to purify hearts. The Prophet Muhammad said, "I was sent to perfect good character." Think about that. Out of all the reasons for prophethood, out of all the miracles, out of all the laws, the Prophet summarized his mission as perfecting character. That means no character, incomplete faith, no manners, weak Islam, no mercy, missing the message. Islam is not just rules, it is transformation. Here's something many people forget. On the day of judgment, character will be heavier than many acts of worship. The Prophet said that the people with the heaviest scales will be those with good character. Think deeply. Someone may pray all night, but hurt people during the day. Someone may fast often, but speak harshly to others. Someone may have knowledge, but lack mercy. Islam teaches balance. Worship connects you to Allah. Character shows that connection to people, and Islam demands both. If you want to understand Islamic character, look at the life of the Prophet Muhammad. He was insulted, yet he forgave. He was attacked, yet he showed mercy. He was betrayed, yet he remained just. A woman used to throw trash on him every day. One day, she stopped. Instead of celebrating, he became worried. He went to check on her. That is character. He stood up when a funeral passed by. Someone said, "It is a Jewish funeral." He replied, "Was it not a human soul?" That is character. He never shouted at a servant, never hit a child, never humiliated anyone. Many people entered Islam not because of debates, but because of character. A smile, honesty in business, keeping promises, gentle speech. Your character might be the only Qur'an someone ever reads. Islam emphasizes good character because people listen to behavior more than speech. A Muslim with bad character pushes people away from Islam. A Muslim with good character pulls hearts closer to Allah. Islam does not measure character in public alone. It measures it at home. How do you speak to your parents? How do you treat your spouse when angry? How do you correct your children? The Prophet said, "The best of you are the best to their families, not the loudest, not the most feared, but the kindest." True Islamic character begins where no audience exists. Anyone can be good when life is easy, but Islam emphasizes character during hardship. When you are tired, when you are angry, when you are hurt, when you are tested. Islam teaches, control your tongue, lower your ego, respond with patience, leave revenge to Allah. Good character is not weakness, it is strength under control. Today, many people know Islam, but few reflect it. Arguments are loud, mercy is quiet, judgment is quick, compassion is rare. Islam emphasizes good character because the world is tired of harshness. People are not rejecting Islam, they are rejecting bad behavior done in its name. We must return to the Prophet's way. Good character is built, not inherited. Ask Allah daily, "O Allah, beautify my character." Pause before reacting. Silence can save faith. Lower expectations of people. Raise expectations of yourself. Remember, accountability. Every word is recorded. Practice mercy, because Allah loves mercy. Dear brother, dear sister, Islam is beautiful, but it is only beautiful to others when we reflect it correctly. Pray, but also be kind. Fast, but also be gentle. Seek knowledge, but remain humble. On the day of judgment, people will not ask how loud you argued. They will remember how safe you made them feel. Let us revive Islam, not just in our mosques, but in our character. May Allah make us people of beautiful manners. May He soften our hearts. May He make us reflections of the Prophet. Āmīn.